So aside can be office, not so pass I go see you na office I begin close keyboard. Yeah, na my office.
Like the way I dey get the money, make I focus my fishing. Now say that avoid this school. Cause me people and tell you about God and me now and agree.
So we there for hustle, na the only hustle is we the gonna when at the WhatsApp. I do bet to the girl. Make I decide. For my go the girl I make sweet skip penny.
How they gonna see we they get at times they come obstacle they can't say at times they go no they get what get and they survive with the family.
Everything after God, yeah, attention me focus upon this one so. And I make money, I need to take fun upon this. But I deal with myself and my family. We make all man happy.
Every day, the ocean wakes up the coast of Sierra Leone. For many people here, the sea is everything. It gives them food and it gives them a way to live. Fishing is not just a job, it is the oldest way of life. When the sun rises, the fishermen get ready. They take their small wooden boats out into the Atlantic. They go for herring, mackerel, and other fish that Sierra Leoneans love to eat. This is the daily race to feed the country.
Me, I don't pass 25 years by this fishing. I grew up with us. Yes. I be go Apollo. I be go to school, but to time on, I never go again. I never follow the education again. I decided for focus on the fishing. I come on school. I go there. The way I get the money, make I focus on fishing. Now say that avoid this school. Call me people and tell you about God and me now and agree.
Me na be businessman.
You to the level.
Okay. Me na be businessman. Because I be they do the business, I know they see income or profit. Make I choose for left the business I can buy the fishing. According to the fishing, how they gonna see we they get at times they come obstacle they can't say at times they go no they get what get and they survive with the family, pikin, mama, papa, sister.
These fishermen know the sea well. They follow all rules and all skills passed down from their parents. They do not use big machines. They use their hands and their basic knowledge. For them, the boat is their office and the ocean is their farm.
But this fisher, you don't do great things for me because what I can force, I watch me party the all where they did the guy, not so what the guy eats. If the guy you go keep some. So in case you go sick or any other problem you can go and buy things there, buy clothes for guests, a bag. Understand eh? So the things there and they make man they can fish now. But not so for the guy eats like some man, most command can get they can go Igbo susu sometimes they're 50, 40. So we don't get that money then they at any time it is sick because the water are cool. They get that cold back. At times man they come back, we go see when I've dead out. We left the land when they see better like say. But dead out we go fish you guys side. So side can be your office. Not so pass. I go see you now office. I bring clothes, keyboard. Yeah, na my office. I'm in office. This now they get. So any self send office now they for old sites. I like you know driver, you know taxi rider, you know fitter, you know fisherman. Anyone out like office standing. Not so pass. I go deep into college. I go see. I be engineering, doctor. I be clothes, computer. No. I be accountant. No, that don't make sense. So man back what's making he decide to come on at least the kind of food he come on. Because he say nobody no put na adult. Yes, now because of difficulties make somebody can come on at streets, especially girl people there.
When the boats return, the work moves to the land. This is where the women take charge. They are the bosses of the markets. They clean, sell, and save the fish.
How they measure fish? We measure sell no day, or no they get sell. You are by the day they say net cover, I no get what they eat. At last, that's why they turn back. No get nothing. So now that's don't they will get an also. Let's start by this say fish now also fish, but money no day. One rob by the get something, now they get what they eat. At last, that's where they go. As you picking back the begin go manage. That's no day. Customer come by, go run by a sell. What sell what they get, I go survive my family. I no get both sell, but na sell I go and buy I go sell. What sell what I get small go survive. But who fish they boku, no they get away. Sell no day. The business where they move fast. But any side we say I don't use to, no way no day for manage.
Dilak pagi, nang bodan tapi ada pialim nang boje, ando aja putar dilak ya. Pialim from tapi ada pialim angkala mang bega emang kau nasi. Pada itu kau nami ame coba, ini sih, nang bodoh ya lala pintar mah.
Times to come, it take nearly months. They go, no they get. So we can go all obstacles in there.
But my own challenges now, I always make determination. We're going to provide for me. Can't open me way for make me own property back because I don't get no other job. We are focused back and this only a focus back. So I hope man always God be keep me panam way before say I can able to do small things for me and my family where all man feel okay.
So both say they go. They put this chamber so they don't even all go and back. Not single one pot of fish maybe say get that catfish maybe in Asia. Yes. But we still get a faith. We still get faith with the commit. Well, this job what we do, we will succeed. Alhamdulillah that we ask for get, but our patience. All the patience go and so God will help me small. But it's not easy for me. Like this chain as you see in our food sale they pursue this all that we get for show and not to empty business.
Amidst all of this, how do these fishermen ensure safety during the process of catching fish?
The safety of that side they make them marine there. Them marine there they didn't see. Them marine officer they didn't see. They buy because some city where one paper they buy we call a manifest. Any fisherman you look at each boat they write name for the manifest in case the boats go but so Now that manifest they know say na 8 people and go, na 5 people and go, and so it is, na Momo this, and Santigi this. So na manifest they don't know. Don't them marry them with them at WhatsApp. So if you not get a manifest, they do hold you. If you not get flag, they go the cafe, they go the machine. If you not get flag, they do hold you. Not get manifest, they do hold you.
If you get a chance for talk to young people where they not street, where not they do nothing, what thing will be you word to them?
Okay, kind of me now. One time I can do that day because I can see say the idol is too much for you. Although not to me get the property, just give me a number for control. I can sabi me some majority of them. So before you decide whether I do la, kalo kan gonna see. Although Alexa will say for say me I not sabi. I tell them say I go at the land. The majority of them we are land. Then after I go like today, so then be captain now with the captain boat is there. So me I keep do that. They want pass the one willing for fishing. The offer says me know the idol want of us. Now they know they able come. It's if you able do and say one thing. They say we come next day. Once you don't get you don't get money. You don't need to forget. That way the fishing.
These local fishermen are fighting to keep their future safe. They're urging the government to help protect their waters from the big foreign ships. They are not asking for a lot, just the right to catch enough fish to feed their families and also contribute towards the nation's development.
I'm not getting all that job on land, na fishing on land. Let them empower we for the fishing business. Give you some materials them what we not get. Let them support you, let we get them. See? Again net there. So I don't be they buy the cheap boy right now. What you want net? Now huge amount of money you spend for get this net. See? You dey take and go to sea. To go help and destroy them. For let you get her or pay for her. No problem.
Help you, but this affects this push here that affects you brother right now because most of them I watch them. They don't get some food. No man, some man be bluff man. But school can a salon we don't take up to 80 and also. Some man was again, they buy things there. They like some man at thief, pass you survive, go and pick clean salon, iron, you get survive. So me that advise the president, make strict slay on that. For police cushion now country because she not fine.
Like I talk no more. After God, about this fishing also depends on now first. Because although government, they are able to talk to government for me they do for them something because I'm able to talk to government face to face. The only thing no more me on determination no more like I know say what depends on this game here so who the fear can do. Me you fear the fear can do. Yes, disturb me go on and say now always okay. Yes, feel day. So me I always okay. So I know I can't get problem with nobody, even thinking about government because I'm able to talk to them, they're listening to me. I not get way for like able to talk to them, they do what I want, make them do for me. So you don't see, I make me always they pray to God, particularly the things that we will deal with when this fishing here, love no less, they will not lose out.
The ocean has always given them life. If we protect the ocean, we protect these communities. The hope for a strong future lies with these hardworking people and the tides they follow.